In this lesson, we will learn how to rewrite a standard form equation of a circle into general form. Look at problem number 1. This is the standard form equation for a circle, and hopefully you recall that you should be able to glance at this and know that the center of this circle is 2, negative 5, opposite of that one, that one. And the radius is 4, because this is the radius squared, so square root. So this is standard form. General form is what you would get if you wrote this without any parentheses, right? Without something squared, if everything was just flat. So the way we can accomplish that is by understanding that x minus 2 squared means x minus 2 times x minus 2. And y plus 5 squared means y plus 5 times y plus 5. So we can do the distributive property. So if I take this and I distribute my x's, for example, so I'm going to have x squared minus 2x, and then I'm going to distribute the negative 2. So that would be negative 2x plus 4. All right, and similarly, I'm going to distribute the y's over here. So that's going to be plus y squared plus 5y. And then distribute this 5. So that's plus 5y plus 25 equals 16. Now, of course, we have some like terms here. Let's see, as I go, I'm going to change the order a little bit. So I've got my x squared, so I'm going to bring that down. And then next comes the y squared. All right, so you put those highest exponent, highest degree terms first. Next, I'm going to put my x's and my y's, but negative 2x and negative 2x make negative 4x. 5y and 5y make 10y, so I'm going to go ahead and put those together. Next, we have the constants. So I have 4 and 25, that's 29. Now for general form, we need 0 on one side. So I also need to subtract the 16 from both sides. So if I subtract 16 from both sides, that's going to give me the final answer. So I'm going to have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y, and this is going to be plus 13 equals 0. So this is the general form equation of the circle. Number 2, same thing. So x plus 4 squared is x plus 4 times x plus 4. Y minus 1 squared is y minus 1 times y minus 1. Okay. And this is equal to 14. So distributing these x's, so I've got x squared plus 4x. Distribute the 4, so that's going to be 4x plus 16. All right, distributing the y, that's going to be y squared minus y. And distributing the negative 1, that's going to be negative y and plus 1. And that equals 14. All right, so now I've got x squared and y squared. So I've got x squared plus y squared. 4x plus 4x is 8x. negative y and negative y, that's negative 2y. 16 and 1 is 17. And that's equal to 14. All right, so now I just need 0 over here, so I'm just going to subtract 14 from both sides. So that's going to give me x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. And that is the general form equation of the circle. All right, for number 3, we've got x squared, and then we have y minus 2 squared, so that's y minus 2 times y minus 2 is equal to 94. We're going to have to do some distributive property here, so I've got x squared plus, all right, and then the y distributes, so that'll be y squared minus 2y. And then the negative 2 distributes, so that'll be negative 2y plus 4. And then that's equal to 94. So that's going to be x squared plus y squared minus 4y, all right, putting these together, plus 4 equals 94. We need 0 over here, so we will subtract 94 from both sides. So the final answer is x squared plus y squared minus 4y minus 90 is equal to 0. That's going to be your general form. One more example. All right, now if you've been watching me, you should definitely pause the video and do this one by yourself and check and see if you got it right. So here I go. I've got this whole x plus 1 times x plus 1. All right, that's my x plus 1 squared, plus y plus 3 times y plus 3 equals 4. So doing the double distributive property here, I'm going to have x squared plus x, and then distribute the 1, so that's plus x plus 1. And then, okay, I'm going to double distribute again, so I've got plus y squared plus 3y. All right, distribute the 3 now, so that's another 3y plus 9. And that's equal to 4. So as I reorganize, I'm going to put my x squared and my y squared first, like you do. So that's going to be x squared. Hold on. Time to come back to blue. So that's going to be x squared plus y squared. And then collecting these, that's plus 2x. And collecting these, that's plus 6y. Now I've got the 1 and the 9, so that's plus 10 is equal to 4. So I just need to subtract the 4 from both sides. So minus 4 minus 4. So the final answer is x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 6y plus 6 equals 0. And that is general form for this circle. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to go the other way. We're going to have general form, and we're going to learn how to change that to standard form. Spoiler alert, we're going to be completing the square.